everyone, here's KSTYLEyo. Today I'm going to take a look at some of my Instagram posts that students really wanted me to explain in full details. And these posts are really critical for you to learn Korean verbs. And you must know the difference between two sets of verbs. Welcome back everyone. If you're new to the channel, my name is Inyoung. I was born in Incheon in South Korea and moved to Canada about 10 years ago. I've been helping students from all over the world who want to learn Korean language and the culture. So I'm here to help out as many students as I can. So if you have questions, please feel free to comment down below and let's get started. So this is my KSTYLEyo Instagram channel. If you like to follow, you can check out the link in the description box. So this is one of the posts that I like to explain in this video. So the difference between 들리다 and 듣다. So 들리다 is to be heard and 듣다 is to listen. So in this case, some people may explain as transitive verb or active verb. But for me, when I was learning English back home, I didn't understand what all the terms were. And actually that confused me more that I had to know which one I need to study, either the terms or the meaning. So for me, I think that it's best way for you to learn language. It's better to find out what may be equivalent in your language. Sometimes you cannot find, but most of the time you could find it. So 들리다 is to be heard. In this case, you cannot have an object. So something is heard. You don't say something's heard and something else, right? So that's why grammatically I like to explain to my students as to be heard. And 듣다 is to listen, which means you need an object. I listen to something. Or it could be also interpreted as to hear. I hear something, right? So to be heard is different from to hear. So this is the examples. To be heard, 멀리서 소리가 들려요. I hear the sound from far away. That's the normal way for you to interpret. But however, grammatically, it's better to think that 멀리서 from far away, 소리가, that's the subject. Since 가 is the subject particle, 들려요, to be heard. From far away, sound is heard. I know it's a little awkward, but that's the grammatically correct way to think. And the second one, 응급차 사이렌 소리가 들렸어요. 응급차, emergency vehicle, siren, 소리, sound, 가 is subject particle, 들렸어요 is to be heard in the past tense. 들려요 becomes 들렸어요, right? So I heard the siren of an emergency vehicle, but it's better to interpret grammatically. Emergency vehicle siren sound was heard. So that you don't think that you need to add an object, because this verb doesn't require an object. So first example for 듣다, 제 친구의 좋은 소식을 들었어요. So here is something you need to understand. 듣다 verb, it's an irregular conjugation form. You drop D and add R. And add 어요, 들어요. You can drag the R sound into the next syllable. So 들어요, 들어요. 제 친구, my friend. 의, actually that's possessive, but you never say 의 for possessive. You say 에, 제 친구의. However, for example, Dr. 의사, you don't say 애사, you say 의사. Only when it's possessive, like apostrophe S, you're gonna pronounce it as 에. 좋은, good. H underneath is almost silent, very subtle. 좋은, 소식을, 을 is object particle, 들었어요. Heard or listened to. But in English, it's kind of awkward to say listen to good news, right? Unless you really paid attention. But normally you will say I heard a good news. But just so you know that to hear, to listen to, you need an object in English, right? So it makes sense to think. I listened to or I heard my friend's good news. The second example for 듣다. 저는 K-pop을 매일 들어요. I는 subject particle, K-pop을 object particle. 매일 everyday 들어요. I listen to K-pop every day. Who likes K-pop? So, just to recap, 들리다, to be heard, which means you shouldn't add an object. 듣다, to listen to or to hear, you need an object. So there is another post, something similar to this grammar, which is 끝나다 versus 끝내다. 끝나다 is to finish. Again, you shouldn't have an object. Something finishes. Okay? I mean, in English, you can say, I finished something. But you could also say, something finishes without having an object. So, 끝나다 is more like the finish that doesn't have an object. But 끝내다, to complete. Normally, you're gonna have an object in English. I complete something. So, here is the examples. The movie finished. 그 영화가 끝났어요. 끝나다 becomes 끝났어요 in the past tense. 그 영화가 is subject particle. 끝났어요, finished. School finishes at 4. 학교는 is subject particle. 4시에 끝나요. If you don't know how to count time, please click the link above here and watch that too. 학교는 4시에 끝나요. And 끝내다 example, 저는 숙제를 끝냈어요. I finished or I completed the homework. Think of it completed, that makes more sense. I completed the homework. 저는 숙제를 끝냈어요. You don't say 끝났어요. Okay? This one, complete something. Second one, I have to complete work by 2. 저는 2시까지 일을 끝내야 돼요. 을 is object particle. You drag R from the previous syllable and add when you pronounce. 일을, okay? 일을 끝내야 돼요. So 끝내야 돼요. So look at the 끝내 part. That's the conjugated verb root. 끝내다 verb conjugated to 끝내요. So technically 끝내다 dictionary form root is the same as conjugated verb root. In this case, 야 돼요, that grammar needs a conjugated verb root. It may look the same as dictionary form, but it is conjugated. For example, 마셔야 돼요. I have to drink. 마셔 is conjugated from 마시다, right? 야 돼요, like I said, that's have to or need to. I have to complete work by 2. Okay? Hopefully this information clears some of your confusion. If you got some value out of this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And feel free to comment down below. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye!